Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for hotels on the Trip.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen, and then click on the hotels button at the top. Then you should click on the first box at the top of the screen, and then enter your destination. Here you can see some recommendations, but you can also type in your own destination. After that, select the check-in and check-out dates on the calendar. Click on the confirm button down below. After that, you can select the number of rooms and the number of guests. Then click on the button done down below. You can also indicate the price, star and rating if you would like to narrow down your search according to these aspects. So you can indicate the price on the slide. You can set the star rating. You can set whether you are searching for gold or platinum luxury hotels, and you can also set the guest rating. And when you are done, click on the done button and tap on search best prices in the middle of the screen. Click on OK, and here you can see all of the results, so feel free to browse among them, and you can also apply additional filters at the top. So that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.